Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to use Cash App AfterPay. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First, let's quickly understand what AfterPay is. It's a buy now, pay later service that lets you split your purchase into 4 interest-free payments. Cash App has partnered with AfterPay, which means you can manage these payments directly from your app and use it at supported stores. To get started, make sure your Cash App is updated to the latest version. Once you open Cash App, you'll land on the home screen. From here, tap on the Money or Banking tab. This will take you to your balance and account overview. Now, scroll down until you find a section called More for You. This is where features like Borrow and AfterPay usually appear. Look for the AfterPay option and tap on Start. Once you're inside, you'll see an option like Pay over time with AfterPay. Cash App may show you a spending limit, for example, $50, which is automatically assigned based on your account activity. This is not something you manually choose. Now here's something important. You won't always see eligible transactions right away. For a purchase to qualify for AfterPay, it must meet a few conditions. First, the payment must be made using your Cash App card, either the physical card or a digital version added to your phone wallet. Second, the transaction amount usually needs to fall within a specific range, like $25 to $50. Third, the transaction must be fully processed, which can take a couple of days. And finally, it must be recent, typically within the last 30 days. Once you have an eligible transaction, you can come back to the AfterPay section and choose to split that payment into installments. This allows you to pay over time instead of all at once. Also, if you don't have a Cash App card, you'll need to order one first, because AfterPay requires transactions made through that card. Once activated, you can start using AfterPay while shopping. For example, if you're browsing a store like Amazon, look for the AfterPay option at checkout. If it's available, you can choose it and split your payment into 4 installments. And that's it. So, that's basically how you can use Cash App AfterPay. So, that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks.